Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential piece of gear for anyone serious about their audio setup, the Kumiho XLR to RCA cable. This isn't just any cable. It's designed to bridge the gap between your professional XLR audio equipment and your consumer-grade RCA devices, ensuring your sound quality doesn't suffer in the process. Right off the bat, the quality materials stand out. Kumiho has equipped this cable with gold-plated connectors, which are crucial for resisting corrosion and maintaining a clear, smooth signal transmission. You know how frustrating it can be when a connection degrades over time, but these connectors are built to last. The cable body itself is made from PVC, giving it a strong yet flexible and pliable feel. This means it can withstand the rigors of frequent use, whether you're setting up a home studio or packing it for a live gig, without becoming stiff or easily damaged. But what truly matters with any audio cable is the sound quality, and this Kumiho offering truly shines here. It's constructed with oxygen-free copper, or OFC, which is a gold standard in audio cabling for its ability to transmit signals with minimal loss. Coupled with braided shielding, this cable does an exceptional job at eliminating unwanted hum and noise from your audio signal. The result: high-fidelity sound quality that delivers maximum signal clarity. For music enthusiasts, recording studios, or anyone involved in live performances, this cable is designed to ensure your audio sounds exactly as it should, pure and uncompromised. One of its most impressive aspects is its wide compatibility. This dual RCA to dual XLR male professional audio link cable can connect a vast array of devices. Think about hooking up your mixing console to an AV receiver, an amplifier to a hi-fi stereo system, or even integrating recording equipment with your home theater. It works seamlessly with computer sound systems, speakers, TVs, CD and DVD players, and much more. It's truly a versatile workhorse for any audio setup. And for added convenience, the design is quite clever. The dual XLR male to dual RCA male cables are initially stuck together, running parallel, which makes organizing your cables much easier and tidier. However, if your setup requires it, they can be easily split into two separate RCA to XLR cables, offering incredible flexibility depending on your specific needs. This thoughtful design detail really sets it apart. Finally, it's worth noting that Kumiho emphasizes efficient services, promising to address any issues within 24 hours. While we hope you never need it, knowing there's responsive support behind the product adds an extra layer of confidence. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality cable to connect your XLR and RCA audio components, the Kumiho XLR to RCA cable is an outstanding choice. Its superior construction, exceptional sound clarity, and versatile design make it a top contender for anyone seeking to elevate their audio experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.